incredible. Don't worry about the wickets. You've got your two big hitters in the middle. Tension all around.
Well, you could finish it in 2 strikes, Shimon Chowdhury. First ball, miss your Yorker and whistles over extra cover for half a dozen. Then you try a slower ball, and that gets the long handle treatment. It's such a cool game. But on the other side of the coin, you get an absolute hero, get the Yorker right, rip a few poles out.
You don't often see a huddle in the 19th, at the 19th over. The whole team gathered around, deciding who's going to bowl the last one. The responsibility has been given to Fawad Reza, who bowled an excellent last over, got the wicket. Or it looks all around now, putting his fielders in the right position. Are we going to have a super over? 2010?
Oh, no, Shimon.
Why not, Danny?
Gotta get on the next screen. Come on.
Well, Shahid Afridi will be looking to finish it off as quickly as possible, but there's been some good dot bowling from the Bangladeshi bowlers. The last over from Mustafizur Rahman, in the previous over prior to that one from this man himself. He looks worried. If we missed.
Yep, nervousness. Yeah, a little bit around, but tell you what, Double D's, they got 13 off their last over to set 158. 10 to get, finish off match 27.
Who's going to finish it off? That is the question. Put it in there. This is a humdinger of a match. Going to the wire. Tension all around. Crowds entertained. Crowds on the edge of the seats. Fawad Reza taking his time, making sure the Afridi wait. Here we go. Yorker length ball. Couldn't do better than that. One only.
Superb start. Really is from Fahad, and I think I would have discussed that and said, look, what you bowled to Ravi Bopara was classic. That's what we want. That was to Afridi. Now, though, got the left-handed Shahid Tanvir on strike. Last over here from the young fella, very good. Full, brave to have some changes of pace as well. That there were Afridi trying to whistle it downtown. Gutsy stuff, really is. Well done.
Well, Mustafizur Rahman under pressure, bowling a precious over. Everyone's focused, He's cool, calm and collected. You've got to have that. His opposing captain rather nervous. Oh, bowling on the legs! Shahid Tanvir has been taken out by Fawad Reza, and he's beaming, and why not?
Yeah, I've seen this before. From Shahid Tanvir in this sort of situation, he gets a little too cute, but too cheeky, and goes too far across. But hey, credit to the bowler. Got it on the stumps, got it full. Coach loves it, bowler loves it, captain going crazy.
Alright, Reza, you have really come to the party. Shahid Tanvir goes for 19, 149 for 4. Not the most opportune moment for Mushfiqur Rahim to walk in. Former captain, present captain in the middle. Problem is, just the 4 balls left.
Yeah, not ideal. You come out. What do you do? A bit cheeky. Probably think to yourself, well, he's going to go and bowl full. Fahad's been bowling some good Yorkers. Has a change of pace, we know that. Don't worry about these numbers right now. It doesn't matter, because you only need 9. But you've got to get him off 4 balls. So that adrenaline factor is kicking in right now for Mushfiqur.
Changing the field around. Here we go for Reza. Another gem. This is fantastic dead bowling from Farhad Reza. Inside edge, he gets a single.
Classic stuff. Well, Shahid Tanvir, he played England recently in that last T20, and he hit a 6 off the first ball at final over. The English still won. Oh, what do we got here in the BRB Bangladesh Premier League for 2015? They've lost Shahid Tanvir, who was set, he was on 19 and got knocked over.
Well, he has got to hit this for 4 at least. Oh, he's got up in the air. He's going a long way. He's got it. He's got the leading edge of the bat, and it's goes sailing over for the maximum. They are absolutely over the wall. He's not. He's worried.
Oh, boom, Afridi. Talk about timing to pull one out of the fire. Went for the Yorker, missed it, blew it, and from that position, Shahid Afridi has smoked this over fine leg. Extraordinary stroke for one of the geniuses of the modern game. Now, they only need 2 from 2. They're on their feet here in Dhaka.
Oh, what a match this is panning out to be. This is extraordinary. Humdinger of a match. 2 runs needed of 2 balls. Keep your calm, Shahid Afridi. One's going to take you through this super over. We'd like to finish off in this delivery. Farhad has done well so far. Another wonderful does that put away. 2 sixes in a row. That's taking the game for the superstars. What a finish.
Talk about a superstar.
मज़ीद ऐसी वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारी वेबसाइट पे विजिट करें urducricket.com।